Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking the video. So guys, ngayon pag-usapan natin ang Canada International Students, okay? Pathway, kasi alam naman natin na marami na rin kumukuha ng international students sa Canada because ang kagandahan doon is pwede ka magtrabaho. Guys, ever since last year, parang inaprobahan nila hanggang April 30th, no, this year, 2024, na pwede magtrabaho ang student visa, unlimited hours, no? So ang laki ng naitutulong nito sa mga kababayan natin, no? Pero may changes na mangyayari starting May 1. And ngayon, as you know, May 7 na, I believe if take effect na siya, na 20 working hours na lang. Okay? So ang laking pagbabago, guys, no? From unlimited working hours, student visa, ngayon, pwede ka na lang 20 hours per week. Okay? Per week lang siya, 20 hours. So, yun yung mahirap doon, no? So, kasi yung ibang kababayan natin, dyan na rin umaasa na makapagtrabaho sila para makaipon. At the same time, ginagawang na rin pambayad sa, sa mismong tuition fee. So, ngayon, hindi na natin pwedeng masaligan yan, okay? But the good news is, kunyari, term, vacation nyo naman, alam naman natin guys, na pag vacation nyo, wala kayong pasok, pwede pa rin naman kayong mag-work in unlimited hours, okay? Even though student visa lang kayo, and you can actually ask yung school nyo kung kailan yan, kasi iba-iba yan guys okay? Tapos niyan guys, for what I've known, di ba, nitong September, yung pasukan na naman, is magiging 24 hours na siya. Okay? So, 24 hours per week na papayagan yung mga student natin, Canada International Student. Guys, maganda kasing pathway din ang international students sa Canada. Pero ngayon kasi may mga big changes na nangyari na hindi na pwede dalhin yung husband or wife mo, isa ka na lang, not unless alam naman natin na doctorate ka or master's degree, di ba? So, yan na ngayon yung mga big changes. I think let's talk more about international students. No? Kung okay pa ba siya na gawing pathway or dito ka na lang sa Pilipinas, no? Kaysa pumunta ka pa doon. But anyway guys, for now, clarify ko lang, 20 hours na per week kung may pasok ka sa work visa. Pag vacation mo, it's unlimited hours again, but starting September 1st, for what I've known, is back to 24 hours na lang. Okay? Ang iyong per week na trabaho. So that's it for me guys. Let's talk more about Canada and, of course, call center then next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.